This is a quick video showing you where to find the power button on your TCL Roku TV. No matter which size it has, the power button will be located under the TV. Let me show you. And depending on which model you have, it may be right in the middle, on the right side or on the left side. Mine over here, this is a 40-inch. I don't know yours, how much it is. It's located right here, you see? It's a simple circle. Let me show you how to operate this button, because you can do many things with it. Go ahead, click on it, and you're going to see a menu on the left side. If you click on it another time, you'll be able to shuffle through different options. So the inputs are here: HDMI 1, 2, 3, AV, Live TV. So you can shuffle like this, and once you want one, let's say HDMI 3, go on it, highlight it, and don't touch anything. Remove your finger from that button. It will select it automatically. And you can do this as many times as you want. It's really cool, very easy. Just be careful to not keep your finger pressed on that button, because if, let's say, I'm shuffling here and I keep press, it will simply turn off the TV. So you just want to give some small taps and never keep your finger on the button itself. So this is it. I hope my video was helpful. You can even turn on the TV with this button. Like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.